If you're trying to manipulate shipping to make money, that's not where it is. Buy better stuff, price it competitively. Welcome to another Widget Wednesday. These are small, short videos, down to the subject, and I just go through a certain topic real quick. And if you got any ideas for more Widget Wednesdays, you can send it in to contact@SMPostcards.com or leave a comment. If there's something you want me to put a video together about, some of them I use, some I don't. It just depends on the topic, if I can do it or not, in a shorter video. But I thought I would do these bi-weekly, every other week. You'll Widget Wednesday, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you know when I put these out. But today is on free shipping. Been around forever. Pros and cons. People like it, people don't like it. So there's different things about free shipping, and people say, well, how do you do that like Amazon? Free shipping, you lose money. Well, I'm going to walk through on there. But offering free shipping on eBay can have significant advantages and disadvantages for sellers. Here's the breakdown. The pros of offering free shipping on eBay. Increased visibility and sales. Now, don't have data to show this, but everybody that's sells online with eBay knows they like to show things that are free shipping. I know Etsy, if you do free shipping, they really like that and different things. So I think there is something to this. I haven't done any tests or any data to really say yes or no, but this is really one of those things that I think is there, but I don't have the data to back it up. I'm not speculating, but it's been around forever. They boost search rankings. eBay's search algorithm tends to favor listings with free shipping, which can increase visibility. They have a tendency to do that. Is for all the time I've sold, if you did free shipping, they like that. It's sort of competing with Amazon or something, I guess. The next one, the pro is for increased visibility and sales, is attracts buyers. Many buyers filter search results to show only listings with free shipping, increasing the likelihood of your item being seen and purchased. So a lot of people just like the free shipping. They don't want to understand it. They just want to buy their item. They're not eBay sellers. They don't know all the things. They'll just say lowest shipping, free shipping on there. Now it does add up them two together and stuff, as we'll get into. But some people do that. Not everyone, but a lot of people do it. The next advantage is simplifies the purchase decision. This is where I think is a big plus for me when I go to buy stuff, is I don't want to calculate anything. I just want I see the product, I look at the description, yes, that's what I want. Just give it to me. What's the total cost? What am I all in for this item? So to simplify the purchase decision, no hidden cost. Buyers appreciate transparency, and free shipping eliminates the guesswork and potential shock of high shipping fees at checkout. How many times have you ever been burnt when you bought, I'll say, a pack of pencils, and it's the cheapest, and then you get into checkout and it's $10 to ship, or it's just an extravagant amount of shipping, more shipping, and so the total is higher than the other ones. I've had that happen. I got burnt one time. So if it has extravagant shipping on there and stuff, when I get the check, I want to see what it is when I buy it. What am I all in? So there's no hidden cost. Higher conversion rates. Don't have data to back it up, but I think removing shipping costs can reduce cart abandonment and encourage more immediate purchases. So if they see what they're all in for, boom, they're done. Instead of getting the checkout and then see the added shipping, and then you lose the sale. I think there's something to that. I haven't done any tests with it and stuff like that, but I think there's a higher conversion rate and reduces the cart abandonment and encourages immediate purchases. Increased competitiveness is another advantage. Matches competitors. If your competitors are offering free shipping, not doing so can put you at a disadvantage. That could be one thing. A lot of people out there are not doing free shipping on eBay. I did a little thing here. If you look at this, where the arrow is, I just did postcard and therapy for the year. There's 11,410,000 or 11,410,000 postcards out on eBay. 39% use free shipping that are currently live as when I did this. Funny thing is, 48% have promoted listings, but only 39% have free shipping. I would rather do free shipping than pay 2 to 10% of whatever these people are doing for promoted listings of a $4 or $5 postcard. So only 39% of the listings on eBay right now have free shipping. So is that a competitive edge that you can use to say, hey, I got free shipping? And I'll show you how in there what you can do to reduce your risk of losing on this, especially in the average postcards. But only 39%, 40% of the people are doing free shipping. I don't know why they got away from it on these lower value cards. Perception of better value is another advantage for increased competitiveness. Free shipping can make your listings more appealing, even if the product price is slightly higher, to cover the shipping cost. So when I take my postcards, let's say I'm selling a $5 postcard. If it's under $20 and under, it's free shipping. Over that is ground advantage calculated. I don't play shipping games. I don't have a lot of those cards. I don't deal with shipping. It is what it is. You're going to pay for shipping or go buy it from somebody else. Shipping to me, I don't try to make money on everything. I don't give my discount away. I just put it in there. It is what it is. And it's just an expense to me that I need to manage. So it's just part of the business. So if I'm selling a $5 postcard and I want $5 for it and it's free shipping, it's going to be $5.75. The 69 cents and the money for the envelope is all kind of in that 75 cents. So when it sells, I get $5, they pay the shipping. I don't look to make money on shipping. Now if I sell 2 of those cards, they can go in the same envelope. I keep that 75 cents. If I sell 3 cards, they go in the same envelope. I do give them a little discount, like up to 15% on volume discounts, so I get 75 cents times 3 and take a little 15% off. I still get the money there. So when I sell multiple cards is where I make up the average. So over a long time, I make up the difference. Now if I sell 5 cards and I put it in an envelope, it could be 2 ounces and it just goes up. But when you sell multiple cards and you put them in the same envelope with free shipping, you don't have to refund the combined shipping savings. I'm not going to refund someone 75 cents. You can. I think eBay only allows $1 or more. When people ask me about that, I say it's free shipping. So I don't have those conversations at all. When they're, it's easy to shut down. So that's another advantage of that. So perception is better. But another advantage is potential for repeat business. Enhanced customer experience. Positive experience with free shipping can lead to repeat purchases and positive feedback. I get comments a lot about, hey, thanks for the free shipping. Look through my feedback and just see on there. So people like it. I don't get a lot. I don't put a lot of stake in feedback, but those types of feedback on stuff I do tend to like. And I like it myself. Now there's some disadvantages, some cons of free shipping on eBay. Reduced profit margins. Absorbing shipping costs is in there. Unless you increase the item price to cover shipping, you have to absorb the cost, which can significantly reduce your profit margins. So if you're doing free shipping and you're not adding it into the price, you're paying people to buy your stuff. Because shipping, 4-ounce item was $4 to $5, $6. Depends where it goes. So you need to take your card and figure out the shipping, and we'll talk about that in a second, how I figure out the calculated, where it's going to go and stuff. But in a postcard in one of these envelopes with 69 cents, I can send it to any city in the nation, in U.S., for 69 cents. I don't care if they're Alaska, Hawaii, or whatever, it's still going to be 69 cents. A package is going to calculate by zones. So if it's going to Hawaii, Alaska, it's going to be more. Illinois to California is more. Illinois to East Coast is less. Illinois to Florida is less than going to California. Oregon is expensive. Washington is expensive in there. So if you do calculate it. But a postcard's in an envelope, with eBay standard envelope, 69 cents, send it anywhere in the nation. Impact on low value items. For inexpensive items like I sell, $4 to $6 postcards, shipping costs can be a large percentage of the total price, potentially leading to loss. That's why it's got to be added in. You still make the margin. I'm looking 40-50% is the margin I'm looking for, and my price has got to stay within the market comps. Then I can't price a $5 postcard at $20 because I'm putting it in an armored box and mail it out. No one's going to buy it, because there's so many out there between $4 and $6. So you got to keep your price there, watch your shipping and stuff like that on there. So you got to put that into play. Pricing complexibility. It can be complex if you get in there and try to do all these fancy things with shipping. Calculating cost. To avoid losses, sellers need to carefully calculate the total cost, including shipping, and adjust their pricing strategy. This can be complicated, especially if shipping rates vary significantly by region or weight. Yes, zones and weight. Competitive pricing and issues. Raising prices to cover shipping might make your listing less competitive compared to others with lower prices, even if they charge for shipping. Some sellers think it's the greatest thing in the world to have flat rates going wherever. That's the way they do it. They have a table, they figure it out. If I'm selling not a postcard, but say I'm selling a box and the box weighs a pound, I ship it to Iowa, which is right next door to Illinois, it's not going to be as much on calculated shipping. But if I ship it to California, it's going to be a lot more. So if I'm doing free shipping on that item, I've got to figure it out where it's going to go. So a lot of times when I was doing boxes more than I did postcards, if I had free shipping on an item, I would calculate maybe not all the way to California, maybe to Arkansas or Colorado. And that way it didn't price me out of Iowa and stuff like that, where if I put the highest price to Hawaii, Alaska for shipping, and it's only going to Iowa, why are they paying so much? So you can price yourself. That's why I just use calculator. I don't mess with it. It's too much to think about on there. Some people say, well, I'm going to put it this way, I'm going to do this. So I'm going to take a $4 postcard, okay, in the listing, it's going to say $5 or $4 for the card, $1.50 for shipping. People have to add that up. Yeah, they can do it quickly, but I just put it up there, $5 free shipping. Takes the word. I've done it for a long time. There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's just the way I started, and it's the way I'm going to continue to do it, because it keeps the people from asking for combined shipping savings. We invoicing people. I don't even get into that. So it just saves me time in the long run, is where I like it. Now some people like that dollar. I want to get my money for the envelope and the shipping. I just add it into the price. The customers are going to pay for the total all in anyway. So competitive pricing issues, watch how you price going across country. If you put $1.50 in there and it's going next door, why are you charging $1.50 when it's going to California for $1.50 or Iowa? So some people think like that. And then risk of returns. Now this is interesting. I don't do a lot of returns at all, so I'm not an expert on returns, because when I get them, it's just reverse transaction. Send it back. You don't like it, I don't care. Just send it back. I'll refund you. If it's a $4 postcard, keep it. I'll refund it. Returns and refunds. If an item is returned, you have to refund the entire purchase, including, you may have to refund the entire purchase, including the embedded shipping costs, which can lead to financial losses. So if I'm selling an item and it weighs a pound and I sell it for $50 and it costs $6 to ship it, and I sell it for $56 in free shipping, if they return it for remorse, the color wasn't right, it's not the one they wanted, and they ship it back, you have to refund $56 because eBay doesn't know what the shipping charge was, because you said free shipping. So if you don't break it up, you might have to end up refunding the shipping, the original shipping and everything, where if you put $50 and $6 shipping for calculated shipping or whatever, when you get it back, you don't have to give them back your return shipping. If eBay pops up and says you can exclude shipping, then you can do it, is how I got it from an eBay rep one time. If it shows you you can do it, do it. But most of the time with free shipping, you won't be able to. But if you can just refund $50 and keep the $6 on the first shipping on there. So that's one thing about you got to watch for. And regional shipping varies. We talked a little bit. Shipping costs can vary greatly depending on the buyer's location. Offering free shipping means you need to account for the highest possible shipping costs, which can be risky and reduce margins. Because if you don't do that and it's going to California and you only got $4 on it or $6 on it, it's going to Iowa, but it costs $12 to go to California, and you sell one to California, you're going to lose $6, but you gain a little bit. You got to play that game. So I look at the average, and stuff. In the Midwest, we're going to sell a lot of stuff. The East Coast and West Coast is where I sell a lot of items as well. So it can be complex. I just do calculated. I don't even mess with it. Buy it from me or buy it from somebody else. I'm not going to compete for, if you're worried about $4 difference, go buy it from somebody else, because I know where it's going. It's going to be a mess. So do you do free shipping on postcards? I just don't want to think about it. I just put it up there, free shipping. I got my shipping profiles, policies in place. It just goes. So the conclusion is, offering free shipping on eBay can boost sales and improve customer satisfaction, but it requires careful planning and cost management to avoid eating into profits. It's essential to weigh these pros and cons based on your specific products, competition, and target market. Now with $4 to $5 postcards, it doesn't make sense to me to put $4 and then $1.25 shipping. There's just not enough meat there. Just put it together, $5.25. Free shipping. It's going to go. It makes it easy. That's how I think. Now, you might not think that way and stuff, but put it in the comments what you think about free shipping. It's been around for a long time. A lot of pros and cons, people on both sides of the fence. But if you're trying to manipulate shipping to make money, that's not where it is. Buy better stuff, price it competitively, and move volume, and have variety is where you want it. I don't look at shipping as a money maker. Some months I do make money on shipping, but I don't look at that as a money. It's an expense I need to manage. But that's free shipping, my take on it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you know when these Widget Wednesday come out. If you've got any subjects or topics you want me to do, send them in. Contact SMPostcards.com or leave a comment. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.